Mastering Afire. Ignite your IELTS performance. Imagine a world ablaze with passion, creativity, and ambition. Today, we're exploring a word that embodies this fiery spirit, Afire. This powerful adjective can elevate your IELTS writing and speaking to new heights. So let's dive into its nuances and usage. Word type. Afire is primarily used as an adjective, though it can occasionally function as an adverb. Meaning, afire means on fire or burning. However, its usage extends beyond literal flames. It often describes a state of intense excitement, passion, or activity. When something or someone is afire, they're filled with enthusiasm, energy, or strong emotion. Word history. The term afire originated in the late 14th century. It combines the Old English prefix a, meaning on or in, with the word fire. This fusion created a more poetic and emphatic way to express the concept of burning or being aflame, both literally and figuratively. Antonyms. Some antonyms for afire include extinguished, quenched, dampened, and subdued. These words convey the opposite of the burning passion or excitement that a fire represents. Synonyms. Synonyms for afire include ablaze, ignited, burning, and inflamed. In its figurative sense, you might use words like impassioned, fervent, ardent, or zealous. Examples used in sentences. Let's explore how to use afire in various contexts. The forest was afire after the lightning strike, creating a spectacular yet dangerous scene. Her eyes were afire with determination as she stepped onto the stage for her IELTS speaking test. The crowd was afire with excitement as the football match went into overtime. The scientist's mind was afire with new ideas after attending the revolutionary conference. Common errors in use. While afire is a versatile word, there are some common mistakes to avoid. First, remember that afire is typically used as an adjective or adverb, not a verb. For instance, you wouldn't say the building afired. Instead, you'd say the building was afire. Another error is confusing afire with on fire in idiomatic expressions. While you can say his passion was afire, the common idiom is to be on fire, as in, he was on fire during the debate. Lastly, be cautious not to overuse afire in formal writing. While it adds color and intensity to your language, it's more suited to descriptive or narrative contexts rather than academic arguments. To truly master the use of afire, practice incorporating it into your speaking and writing. Describe a time when you were afire with enthusiasm, or paint a vivid picture of a landscape afire with autumn colors. By doing so, you'll not only expand your vocabulary, but also bring your English expression to life, setting your IELTS performance afire with linguistic brilliance.